Hey guys, welcome to this plan with me. Today we're using the Cherry Blossom Garden weekly sticker kit. You can find this in my Etsy shop, which is just beautifully planned by Louise, and today we're going to be digital planning with it. So I've actually got a bit of a tonsillitis at the moment and absolutely just went AWOL when it comes to this page, but I'm trying to update it and trying to get loads of new kits out for you guys since you guys keep on asking. So yeah, I'm working on it guys, I really am behind the scenes, but I'm quite unwell at the moment, so I'm not going to chat all the way through this video, so I'm going to put some peaceful music on and you guys can chill with this plan with me. Hope you guys love this kit and let me know if you use it.